on an enduring 30 years relationship with Wärtsilä, we jointly set out to pursue a solution for the expansion of RECIP Phase 3. Through tedious negotiations, we set a completion date prior to August 2026, which is the end of the basic contractual period for the temporary power by Breda North. This EPC project with Wärtsilä entails an investment of more than 94 million guilders. WEB's own scope to cover the balance of plant, that is to integrate the extended plant and the existing infrastructure, the below zero level works, taxes, other contractors' costs, and the contingency for the total amount of more than 21 million guilders. Thanks to our very professional project team, led by Elton Figueroa, who worked extremely focused at a very high pace. Sometimes we can't keep up with him. And long hours, including team of project, power generation and maintenance, and all others who have worked dedicated to this project. We are so thankful, Elton, for your tireless effort and skilled leadership.